Good morning, 5th grade. Today in social studies, we're going to go on a QR code scavenger hunt. For this lesson, you'll be exploring the world using QR codes. QR stands for quick response. Scan the code with your camera, takes you to a website, picture, or map it was made for. At every stop along your journey, there will be questions to answer based on the place you're visiting. Type your answer in and scan the next code. Happy travels! Here are some helpful hints to assist you along the way. In this lesson, you'll be learning how to read different parts of a map, such as the cardinal directions, scales, and map keys. Unfortunately, since we're using Google Maps, there's no cardinal directions or map keys, but I'll provide you with a compass on every slide, and you'll notice that the colors on the map, whether it's a city, body of water, forest, or another landform, will be used in different colors. The scale in the bottom right corner changes as you zoom in and out. You can use a ruler or another object to measure the distance. Here are some components of the map. 4 cardinal directions are north, east, south, and west. Compasses show us directions, so we know where things are and where we are going. The directions can be remembered by saying, naughty elephants spray water. The map key, or the legend, lets us know what's on a map. Roads, borders, bodies of water could all be listed on a map key. Using different colors also helps us show different areas on a map. Scales are used to show the distance between 2 places. When you zoom in or out on a map, the scale will change. Travel itinerary. Here are your travel plans for your adventure. Step 1. Use the camera on an iPad, iPhone, or Android device. Ask to borrow your parents or siblings. You're going to hold the camera steady on the QR code until the link pops up. It may take you right to the map, or you may have to click on the link to take you to your destination. Look around your destination and answer the questions. Remember to use the map knowledge to answer the questions. If your camera doesn't have a QR code, you can always download an app for a free one, but just make sure you ask your parents first. Here is your first destination. Use the QR code to scan the code and then proceed. Destination number 1 questions. Where did you travel to? You can write your answer where the map took you in the space below. Then you can zoom in. What is the name of the ice cream cart shop west of your location? If you're having troubles, you can always use the compass in the top right corner to help you find the ice cream cart shop. Destination number 2. What tower did you travel to? And in what country are you now? Using the scale on the map, how far away is London from where you are? Write your answers in the space provided. Destination number 3. Again, use your QR code scanner to scan the code, and your destination will pop up. Wow, you must be very cold. Where are you now? And on your map, what colors show mountains? Study your map and answer the questions in the space provided. Destination number 4. Where are you now? You must have brought your scuba diving gear. And in what direction is the nearest country, and what country is it? Again, answer the questions in the space provided. Final destination. You're almost home. I hope you enjoyed your trip. Again, scan the QR code with the QR code scanner, and let's answer these last questions. Whoa, you're way up there. How high off the ground are you at your last destination? How far away is the nearest ocean or sea? Use the scale. You finally returned home. What places did you visit? Enter the information on the lines provided. And on Google Maps, what colors are cities and countries? What about restaurants? Answer the questions with the space provided. You knew where you were going, so you must know your directions pretty well. What are the 4 cardinal directions? What does the N stand for? The E, the S, and the W. When we're using Google Maps, where is the scale located? And here's our closure. What was your favorite place you visited and why? Thanks for traveling with me. I hope you had fun on your adventure. Take care.